Are all the major airports sa mundo naka-privatize na? Yung maintenance?
Outside of the US, hindi ko alam yung US, pero outside of the US, London, Spain, all of that, puro privatized. Yeah.
Ito po, personal opinion ko lang naman. Hindi naman po gano'ng kaganda yung mga airports sa States.
Yeah, the States. I'm not sure it's the US, pero I mean, even in the Philippines, right? For example, in the Philippines, Clark is private.
Yes. NAIAS recently
privatized. Mactan Cebu is private. Yeah. And so those airports are run quite well.
All right. So, pwede niyo po ba ipaliwanag muna kung ano po yung nangyayari sa isang PPP project? Kasi po, yung mga may hindi alam, correct me if I'm wrong, yung Aboitiz Group din po ang nag-handle po sa operations and maintenance po ng Cebu Mactan Airport. Yung magandang airport ngayon sa Cebu, yung mukhang wavy na right. Airport, di po ba? So how does your agreement with the government work?
Well, you have a time limit, right? That you have to invest X amount of money to handle X amount of passengers, right? Depende sa aeropuerto, no? Some are bigger, some are smaller. So yun, and then you make that contract with the government, and the government now gives you certain guidelines. Every passenger must check in 30 minutes. You have the checklist like that they keep on checking you, no? And you must comply to those checklists and agreements.
Ano ba yung or else clause nun? Or else?
Patay. They will cancel they'll cancel your concession.
Parang quits, ayaw na.
Oh, they'll make it bawi. Bawiin nila yung airport kung kayang sa mga agreements.
Well, sa ngayon po, 3 yung major airports sa Pilipinas. 3 major international airports. Clark, hindi naman gano'n kadami yung flight. Pero ang totoo po, ang talaga pinaka-major, Cebu and NAIA sa Manila. Sa palagay po ba ninyo, paano po natin mapapa-improve palalo yun pong sistema po ngayon? Kasi honestly po, medyo malungkot yung sistema po ng NAIA ngayon. Yung sa Cebu, in fairness to the Aboitiz Group, maganda po ipapatakbo ng Cebu at bago yung airport. Sa NAIA po kasi medyo dilapidated na. Sa palagay niyo po, how can we improve it further?
Well, what the president did now is he privatized NAIA. They will award that to San Miguel in September, I believe, no? Where they have a 15 plus 10 or 25-year concession period, where they have certain things that they have to do to bring the capacity up. So I think that one alone, you will see big improvements there. We'll see starting September.